Today, we are back with a brand new 5 Marla house in Dha Lahore. In the garage of this house you can park one SUV or a sedan car. When you enter the house, you are welcomed by a pleasant view of the living and drawing room of this house. Powder room. Modern design kitchen, ground floor. Master bedroom, ground floor. Open kitchen, first floor. Bedroom number 2, first floor. Master bedroom, first floor. Main door.
Demand for this beautiful modern design house is 2.70 crore only.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.